Today is a day when perhaps more than any other day you question yourself about what India is to you. The idea of India, as we call it. And it is unfortunate that it is nowhere close to what India is today. मेरा जो आइडिया है इंडिया का, वो एक ऐसा आइडिया है जहां हर एक इंसान को इक्वल हक मिले, जहां जुल्म ना हो, जहां ट्रू सेंस ऑफ द वर्ड में where every person has the equal access to opportunities, not the one where Muslim, Dalits, Adivasis, women have been pushed backwards. Where hate for the marginalized other motivates more than any other thing, where minorities are crushed, when so many injustices are happening, it becomes difficult to still hold on to that idea. आज के इंडिया की में जिंदगी की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, लाइफ की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, हिंदुस्तानियों की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. वो अभी हमने रिसेंटली कोविड क्राइसिस में देख ही लिया अच्छे से. गवर्नमेंट ने अपनी ड्यूटीज फुलफिल करना तो दूर, जिम्मेदारी तक नहीं ली. आई मीन, अ नेशन is by its people, not by the land. जब इंसान का डेवलपमेंट होगा तभी किसी देश का डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है. So for me, people are the important. The idea of my India will be realized when there is no majoritarianism, no toxic nationalism, no hunger, no sexual violence against women on the basis of caste, class, and religion. And it's really disheartening when you see that your country has become the total opposite of what you thought it to be. I mean, it is really overwhelming. So, I mean, I don't even want to recall that incident. I call India my country, and in the same country, I was recently being virtually auctioned online. There was an app called Sulli Deals, on which Muslim women were auctioned online. So it's really sad that Muslims are facing this in India right now, and people recently gathered in the national capital. 5,000 people gathered in the national capital of India, and and promoted anti-Muslim hatred and Islam के विनाश की बात की गई. So this is so shameful, and all this happened in the national capital right before the Independence Day. हमारी आज़ादी के दिन से थोड़े दिन पहले. So, I mean, the contemporary idea of India is based on Nehruvian secularism. It is where the Indian identity takes precedence over the multitudes of cultural, religious, and linguistic identities that have shaped and thrived in the last 70 years. So, my idea of India is an India where people of all the religion, caste, class, gender, regions have the same equal opportunities, and not just one section of people. My idea of India is one that is democratic and inclusive, but all democratic values are at stake, because the idea of India of the majority of people has become the majoritarian borderline fascist India. हम देख रहे हैं इंडिया में क्या हो रहा है. अभी लोगों को जय श्री राम जबरदस्ती बुलवा कर उनको सड़कों पे मारा जाता है, लिंच किया जाता है, थ्रैश किया जाता है. So, I mean, this idea calls to kill people from minorities, to kill people from Muslim community, and these calls are made publicly without any shame, with full impunity from the state. and nothing much is done against this. Privileged people are okay with it, they are silent and they are complicit. So everything that a civilized nation is based on is at stake. I would say that the social fabric as it is at stake. It is completely burnt. I mean, India now is a hate manufacturing nation. And that was all. But before leaving, I would like to recite one of my poems that I wrote a few years ago in the hope of good times. And I still hope for the good times. I would like to recite that poem here, which goes like, ये नफरत की अफसरदा सियाह रात हो जाएगी रोशन उल्फत के चरागों से. ये नफरत की अफसरदा सियाह रात हो जाएगी रोशन उल्फत के चरागों से. ये जहालत का शोर जो वाबस्ता है हर ओर. ये सुबह है नशाद ये जुल्म सितम की बात टल जाएगी नाराए इनकलाबों से. ये जो नासूर हैं जुल्मत में पेवस्त और ये फक्र फाकों के ज़माने हो जाएंगे ये दिन भी रिहा कफस के अजाबों से. हर जानिब है सरकशी का आलम हर तरफ धुआं गलाजत का. ये खाके वतन ये खिजाए चमन खिल जाएगा मसरत के बहारों से. ये जो करते हैं तुमको वतन बदर ये जो करते हैं तुमको वतन बदर ये भटके हुए इरादे ये गुमनाम लोग. कोई इनसे पूछो डरते नहीं है क्या ये अदल और सितम के हिसाबों से. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. आज़ादी मुबारक.